money, I make sure you say have money to give me now. Money me I defend. I don't want enough, I don't want enough food, I don't want enough to eat, I don't want to stay long. Hello! Chappy! Chappy! You must there. See his slippers there. Me see him bright just and wait. He must go. If he not in there, if he in there, have to open the door. And if he not in there, he must have to come here. Open the door, I know see you in there. Hello, I know see you in there. Open the door and come out. You have much woman and not even know which one I come look for you. Hello. Open up, the worst one is here. Open the door, I know say you're in there and go like say you not hear me and call you, you know. It's alright. Alright, that's what I stay and wait. Open the door, because I know say you're in there.
See about them man from like a police. You're police?
Excuse me. Move, I know say you're in there, you know. I want you there.
Me alone there, me alone.
They might get a guy down in the pot.
So far, me and stop serving place now.
You're lucky.
Come out of my fridge.
Let me see your wine there. All the drinks are there when I leave it.
Ah, no, leave
See, you can't do some Alaska?
No.
What kind of man make you mean so we look about Alaska?
I'm my Alaska now. No,
I said that's what you could buy a big Alaska.
You know what kind of baby you have? You find out?
A twin. Two money me come for. Give me now. Me no want that. That can't buy Irish.
So for that, when me weak out, that
can't buy pumpkin.
So if baby gonna eat it, me can't work.
You know if you eat, the baby need more nutrients more than you. Me no want that. Me no want that. Give me a race. And put me sometimes feel for mango. That can't buy mango. No, me
say.
Give me.
So when me can't work, you know. And weak out.
You know,
so if you go get more money.
As a working money bring it come.
You know what you do? Find out how much kind of baby you have.
A twin.
So we can buy baby clothes and know what we buy.
Give me money, make me buy. Come now, why you come deal with me now, you know. Tell her that. You don't have nothing more in here.
No.
Me not give. Excuse
me. Not more. What you look for, Father? What you look for?
A spring water, you there drink. Excuse me.
So wait, me not fishing goose. No, Father. Leave.
Give me a little.
No, leave. No. Leave.
Water.
What will you want? No, Father, no.
Give me a little water.
No.
So let me load out this here. Hey, let me go and send up my pressure, you know. Let me go. Let me talk to you one more second.
Talk what I do.
Come here.
Talk what I do.
Babes, let me tell. Me I give you back $100. Come.
No, no money. Me work for you. Come.
No, come now.
No. Father, go on. Take the water and go on.
You want a little coloring. You want a little coloring, Chappy? Hey, me no want no water. Take them.
No.
Take them. Move. Me no want no water. Just water. You're bright no.
I want to see you're too miserable, you know. You're too miserable, man. Go on now, man. And don't come back until me call you. Don't show up unannounced. When me have money, me call you and don't show up me unannounced.